Hi, I am Moni Hassan. Have made a presentation about basic computer. Basic computer. Index. What is a computer? Parts of computer. Type of device. Functions of computer. Uses of computer. What is a computer? Computer is a programmable machine. The two principal characters are its response to specific to instructions in a well-defined manner. It can execute hard-coded list of instructions a program. Parts of computer. Monitor. C.P.U. Keyboard. Mouse. There are many other parts such as microphone, headphone, joystick, scanner, speaker, projector. Block diagram of computer. Central processing unit. C.P.U. C.P.U. means central processing unit. Input unit. Send data memory unit. Memory unit send control unit, and then send control unit arithmetic and logical unit. Logical unit transfer data control unit and memory unit, and we can get output data. Type of device. Three type of device: input device, storage device, output device. Input device. If you want to draw a picture, type letter, listen music, need give some instructions to computer. You don't input device. This is of instructions. Output is a result given by computer after processing data instructions given the computer. Output can be from text and images. When you draw a picture, record sound, it can be used even after many days, months, and few days. Type of computer. Personal computer, workstation, and mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Uses of computer. Computer user saving video images from closed and circuit TV, CCTV. Uses of computer, the financial transactions, the bank don't throw computers, the provide security specific. We can take exam and get instant results. We use computer automated teller machine. Robot are controlled by computer software. By Moniru Hassan, Devesh Mandala, Bishattar and Rajdas.